Don't buy a $900 course if you have not even made $9 online. That is the mistake that a lot of beginner affiliate marketers make, that they try to sell a high ticket item and they haven't even built their audience. They don't even really know how to market, and they're afraid to even do YouTube videos. And videos is the number one thing that can really get you traction in this affiliate marketing game. Now, I want you to understand something. You know, when I first started affiliate marketing, never did I ever think about selling high ticket products. I just wanted to sell products, you know, at the time that was going to earn me commissions, and that's what it did for me. And right now, even inside of Affiliate Bootcamp, there are people having success getting their first sale with Affiliate Bootcamp ever, and they have tried different types of affiliate marketing, you know, products and systems, but now they are now having success with the Affiliate Bootcamp. And I wanted to do an Affiliate Bootcamp overview video so you can see the results that other people are getting, but I also want to take you inside of the back office so you can see what's happening, because I believe that Affiliate Bootcamp is the best affiliate system right now, you know, for beginners and for immediate people who have never even made a dime online, or you have been trying for a while and you want to see some success. Then affiliate marketing bootcamp or Affiliate Bootcamp is the system for you. Now, you may be even wondering, you know, if I can do this. I've tried and I've failed before. Look, I've failed before in the past as well. And let me tell you, I did not give up. I tried network marketing, MLM, Amazon, eBay. I tried it all and I failed, but I did not give up. And that's where a lot of people fall short, is they give up before they even make their first dime online. Now, you know, maybe you say, well, I don't have time to do this. I have a full-time job. I'm a pastor. I have a family. I make time to do this. If you can create just one video per week, you know, on the weekend, whether it's Saturday or Sunday or Friday evening, you know, just put away the Netflix and the TV channels and just focus on creating one video, okay, which you can take that video and pull out and make a short out of that and post it on YouTube as a long form video and a short video leading back to your long form video. Then you can do that. So there's no reason that you can't. So anytime you're ready, you can click the link that is below, or the link that is below this video in the description. But right now, let me go ahead on and show you some of the success that other people are having inside of our school group that you're going to get access to when you join me today. So here we are right now inside of the Affiliate Evolution. You're going to get access to this group as well. But you see Amanda Holder here got her first sale today. That was 15 hours ago. Got a sale offer lab today, chugging along with ABC, but I have hope for a breakthrough soon. Okay, so she got her first sale, and this is still one of the products inside of the Affiliate Bootcamp, but she got her first sale. Okay, Clayton, first sale. I got my first sale yesterday. Richard got my first opt-ins. I went to bed last night after purchasing my first set of clicks. I woke up to a notification telling me people actually opted in. I know this is little, but I feel let me see what I can find. But I feel so dang excited. Years I have tried stuff and never gotten anywhere. Today that has changed. So he's gotten his leads, not necessarily sales, because anytime you can get any traction in this affiliate marketing game, whether it's leads or sales, that is a win, and you ought to celebrate your win. So we see that he's got that. John is doubling our community in 1 week. Someone wants to know, Amanda wants to know what this means. Okay, my second solo ad was completed today. Not sure what the numbers reveal. Top line is the first funnel, and the bottom is the second funnel. A/B testing. I did a split test on my top funnel as well. No sales, but 75 opt-in. The first funnel seems to have the most activity. Any suggestion, and then people are coming in giving, you know, suggestions on what they should do. Okay, second solo ad done. Second round of clicks. Talking on camera. People are talking about their first win, or even just getting on camera and how awkward it is, but they are enjoying doing it. Okay, split testing, solo ads, second time around, bridge page video, fall on your face, then stand up. So people are getting results inside of here. You know, even myself, 6 sales, I have 7 now. Okay, So people are getting results. Just reach level 3. Once you reach level 3 inside of the affiliate bootcamp or the affiliate evolution, you're going to unlock some treasure in here with this training right here, the affiliate evolution strategy session with Doug Broughton. This is some awesome training that you really want to get access to. So once you click the link in the description to get in, you're going to have access to this as well. But you have to be at level 3, and we're going to help you get to level 3 so you can open this up and start attending the training. Let me show you in here. You're going to have the Welcome to Affiliate Bootcamp, your ideal customer. You want to know who you're talking to, the bridge paid bonus training. Okay, you're going to have that, traffic strategies, and creating your community. All of this training in here is done freely for you when you join the Affiliate Bootcamp and get access to this group right here. Okay, you're also going to get access to the Affiliate Bootcamp Drill Sergeant GPT. Okay, creating winning bonuses that show you how to, do an offer stack or create bonuses inside of for your particular affiliate link, okay, inside of the affiliate bootcamp. That way your bonuses are different than everybody else's, okay? And so to entice people to join with you, because your bonuses complements the actual product, okay? And then the business clarity of breakthrough chat GPT as well, okay? So you have access to this group. Now let's do a brief overview of the affiliate bootcamp. So when I come in here in the affiliate bootcamp, and I'm not going to stay this on here long because I've done some other videos that you can go back and watch here on this channel about affiliate bootcamp, but I wanted to talk about the income streams. With the income streams, you have up to 6 income streams in here that you can earn from, both one-time and residual income that you can earn from. If you decide you want to upgrade to the $97, okay, then you can get 100% commission. Now, understand there, when you go to the page, there's a $97 one time. That way you don't have to pay a monthly fee, but if you choose to pay monthly, then it's $7 per month. Then there's another upsell for $97 for you to become a super affiliate verified or verification process where you can earn 100% commission. So let's just look at the income streams right now. You got the affiliate bootcamp, ClickFunnels, Offer Lab, Secrets of Success 1357 Club, Udemy, and WAP. Okay, so you're going to have access to, you're going to be able to put in your affiliate links in here. Okay, and the thing about this is you do not have to have purchased the product in order to earn a commission. Okay, in other words, you can just be a free affiliate for ClickFunnels without having ClickFunnels. I highly recommend that you get it because that's where you're going to set your funnels up, but you can just put in your affiliate links in here for all of these and be good to go. Now, on the upgrade to get 3 more additional income streams, okay, which is going to pay you the 100% commissions, you're going to be able to get Prime Corp Services, Voomily, and Barnum PT. Those are some other ones as well. But for the affiliate bootcamp, you're going to earn a residual of $7 per month if that's what the person chooses to do. Or if they pay $97 one time, you're going to earn $97. The super affiliate, you're going to earn $97. Okay. The affiliate clipping, $197, and the conversion domination, $297. And as I said before, you do not have to own the product in order to earn a commission, but it's highly recommended that you own the products. You want to be a product of the product. Okay. So with that being said, let's go back up, and then you have the actual start here. All of these trainings right here, mission 1 down to mission 15, are based on 24-hour increments, meaning that once you go through the first mission with Russell here and you watch all of these videos, you're going to click a button that says completed. Then you have to wait 24 hours in order to view the next one, because they want you to actually go back and implement what it is that you have learned. So you're going to have all of that right there, all of this training right here. And one of the things that people struggle with is traffic. Well, that's no problem, because once you get everything set up here, okay, and mission number 9 talks about getting your first 100 clicks, okay, using Udemy. And then you have YouTube training here as well, and then shorts traffic training. So you're going to have 3 different traffic trainings in here that you're going to access to. Pick the one that resonates with you. Just understand that if you choose the first 100 clicks, okay, they're talking about Udemy, it's going to cost you. That's paid ads. You're purchasing traffic from someone else's email list, okay? So you can do that, or you can decide to just go straight YouTube. And this training is off the chain. I love this training. I've gone through it several times. I'm going to go back through it again, and this shorts training as well. So you're going to have a system set up where you're only going to promote. If I go to the start here, you're going to promote this one affiliate link, and that's it. That's all you have to worry about. And on top of that, there are some other products that's not listed in here, okay, that inside of your prime movers back office, you know, you can promote single as well, okay? So you have the option to do that. Personally, I would just focus on promoting this one link right here that's going to lead you to earning up to 6 different income streams once you get your income stream system set up in here. The super affiliate verification, I have that. You're going to have all of this training right here as well, okay? So you can pick whatever person you want to model after and go with them. So that's a brief overview of it. As I said before, there are people inside of the community that are having success, okay? You can do it as well. The only thing you have to do is get plugged into the system. So go ahead on right now, click the link that is in the description. It's going to take you to a page where Russell Brunson is actually going to start explaining how it works, and then you can get started. So with that being said, click the link in the description. I will see you on the inside. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.